Hi there, Dr. Diana Joy Ostroff here to share with you the remedies that I've chosen for you, the ones that I take to keep myself healthy, the ones that I give my patients, and the ones that are going to help you to stay healthy during flu season. With the increasing complexity of these viruses and flus each year, we have a really good reason, and we should be very motivated to want to strengthen our immune systems, to protect ourselves, to help keep our children healthy and safe, and protect others so that we're not contagious and infecting them. When your immune system is strong and healthy, you're less likely to get a flu or a virus. And if you get it, you can ward it off so much quicker. Let's take a closer look at the remedies that I've chosen to help keep you healthy this flu season. First, there's Olivex. It's a high-potency, broad-spectrum immune support. It has olive leaf, it has golden seal, garlic, and noni, and wonderful herbs to help protect you against virus. ViroX. It contains lomatium, pau d'arco, osha, and neem. Wonderful antiviral remedy. Bupleurum. It's a root that helps with colds, flus, coughs, and fevers, and all respiratory tract infections, including bronchitis, pneumonia, and anything that's affecting your lungs. And I have created my own special proprietary blend called Dr. Joy's Potent Antiviral Elixir, and it's filled with elderberry, echinacea, astragalus, honeysuckle, and wonderful herbs that I take to keep me healthy. In fact, I take all of these when I feel like I'm even a little bit under the weather, so that I can just bounce back really quickly. You can get all of these remedies plus my own blend by clicking the link below, and you will have them at your door in just a very few days. Now, our supply is a little bit limited, so if we run out, we'll do our very best to get our shipment quickly to you, as quick as we can. And one more thing, if you'd like to have a private consult with me to discuss any other health symptom that you're having or any concern that you have, I would be so happy to do that with you. I know that many people don't want to travel right now, and I understand that. So we're making phone consultations. We can do by Skype, we can do FaceTime, Zoom conferencing, any way that's most convenient for you. And I will make your health a priority.
So it's been a wonderful experience for over 3 months now. When I came, I was coughing so much. I was in a lot of pain. I had to hold my side. I was occasionally coughing some blood because it was so hard. And now the pain is gone. Dr. Joy, through her tinctures, her lymphatic massage, her acupuncture, has changed me, and I thank her so much for that. I'm looking forward to continuing and on my way to excellent health.
My name is Emily, and this is Dea, and she's 5 years old, and we started coming to Dr. Ostroff a couple months ago, and we came because Dea had been having really terrible coughs for several years, and the doctors thought she had asthma, and we decided to take one last shot at trying to figure out things a little more holistically and getting to the root of the problem. And immediately Dr. Ostroff put her on some herbs and supplements, and within a couple weeks we started noticing a difference in her sinuses. And then just a couple weeks ago, we had really exciting a little trial or test run at preschool. All the other kids got sick, and she did get a fever, but within 6 hours, the fever had broken and her runny nose had gone away, and she didn't get the cough that she had always had before. And so we're really, really pleased and so grateful, because it was never fun. So we're really happy.
Hi. Hi, my name is Bryce, and this is Lee. We started seeing Dr. Ostroff like 4 or 5 months ago. We used to go to the hospital at least once a month for probably like a year and a half. They put her on steroids or regular maintenance medicines that we did every 3 to 6 hours. But since we've seen Dr. Ostroff, her energy is improved. She can breathe on her own now. We just do the remedies as recommended. We haven't seen a regular doctor in probably like 5 months. It could be longer than that actually, but that's a good thing. Yeah, her asthma's a lot better. She can breathe on her own. Her immune system's done really well. Energy is so much better. She used to sleep like all day, but now she refuses to nap, which is good. What is that? But highly recommended.
Kainalu Wilson,
And I'm Kara Wilson, Kainalu's mom.
and I'm here at Dr. Joy's Center for Natural Healing, and I've gone from using an inhaler every day since I was like 3 to like not using it at all, really.
In the last couple of months, barely, yeah. And it's been quite the experience to go from Dulera and some of these other meds that have a steroid and an albuterol component to. It takes work. It's a natural, process, and it takes a lot of commitment, but it is worth every second to see your son come off meds, have more energy, and be proud of himself.
How do you feel, honey?
I feel so much better.
Yeah.
I feel more energized. I feel like I have air in my lungs. I feel that I'm not
I'm gonna cry.
carrying mucus everywhere.
Beautiful. Thank you.
And Dr. Joy has been treating us for a few months now. Been treating his asthma, and he did just recently discuss how he hasn't even been using his inhaler. But one thing that I remembered is how sickly he used to be, and constantly every Monday didn't go to school because of how sick he always was. And he has barely gotten sick at all. He's just healthier in general. This has been like a whole transformation, inside out, and his immune system is stronger. So I really want to encourage everyone to try to take this route instead of all the meds that everyone is on. And it's, the alternative, it can work. That's really the bottom line. Don't think it doesn't. Don't think it's some hippity-dippity thing. It actually can transform.
Before we came to Dr. Joy, Aiden was coughing so much. We were told that it was an allergy after several visits with the doctor, and the allergy was to dust and cockroaches. In Hawaii, it's hard to get away from that, and so we put all the allergen covers on the bed and on the pillows, and it got better, but it was still pretty hoarse cough constantly when we're sitting at the couch. But then when we started taking these little tinctures, Aiden instantly started responding, coughing less and less nasally kind of congestion, and now he's just like gone. So if he's sick, we know he's sick and has a stuffy nose, but he hasn't missed school, I don't think, one day at all. He wasn't really sick before, but just kind of interesting that for this age kid not to be sick one day in his entire year of school is pretty impressive. So he's super healthy, and he's eating so very well.
Hi, I'm Dr. Diana Joy Ostroff, and today I just have this beautiful family, Kat, Benjamin, Sarah, and David, and they want to share some of their results that they've had over the last month. David?
Well, the first thing for me is that I've noticed that Benjamin's allergies have all disappeared, and that's in a matter of 4 weeks. He used to have a constant face rash, and we couldn't figure out what it was. The next thing is he's become much more communicative, and he's a late talker. So what Dr. Joy is doing with him is making phenomenal results in his willingness just to talk to us. Personally, I had some things going on with a lymphatic problem and some venous problems in my leg, and what the doctor is doing with me is absolutely miraculous. The first thing the medical doctor told me was, well, there's no cure for that. And the first thing that Dr. Joy told me was, certainly we can work on that, and this is how we do it. So I'm so pleased, I'm ready to pop.
And how about Kat?
So
Thank you, David.
for me, it had been a couple of years before I felt like I could ever lose weight. I had a very stressful job. Family just went through a move recently, and within it's been about 6 weeks.
That's 6 weeks.
I have lost quite a few pounds. And I just, the biggest thing is that I just feel so much more energy. I feel calmer at work, so even when things get stressful, I feel like I can handle everything. And I just feel especially happy and more in balance than I have in a long time.
Sarah, how do you feel?
Great.
Oh.
Yeah, I found the perfect tree to climb. It was amazing.
Oh, that was so good. Benjamin, how do you feel?
Good.
Very good. Well, thank you so much. I'm so happy to know you all.
We're happy to know you.
Hi, my name is Eunice. I'm 67 years old, going to be 68. And for a moment, I felt like I was just overwhelmed with the drugs and medications that I was taking. I was on depression medicine for years and years, and high blood pressure medicine and other painkillers, and I'm stopped all of that. And you know, I'm the happiest I've been for many years. I'm happy again. You know, I've reached out to friends I've never seen before. I think my son has gained from my newfound life, you know, and I can't say enough about Dr. Joy. She's a miracle worker. She changed my life. I can only say you should see her. Anyway, take care. Okay, thank you.